Well, I'm the first to tell you that I do not have a ton of experience. I have done this before. It's not my first time. I really suck at welding. The second I started actually getting like a good line, the circuit would break. And that's really bad. So let's take our little cheap chintzy boy here and give this a little scrape down. Obviously this is terrible looking, but I mean, for what I need, if it holds, we're good. So we're just gonna give this a little scrapey scrape. And it does appear that some of that is stuck together.